Where has this been my whole life? Today I'm making hot buttered rum for Mrs. Amora using a recipe I found on thefoodnetwork.com. Let's make it. To make hot buttered rum, you're going to need a few ingredients. Of course, you're going to need butter, you're going to need sugar, and some spices, and of course, the star of the show, rum. Let's start with some butter. You need about a quarter of a cup. This recipe is easily scalable if you want to scale it up, but it's just Mrs. Amora and I, so I'm just going to make a small amount. Don't need a lot. And a third of a cup of dark brown sugar. I only had light brown sugar, so that's what I'm going to use. 2 tablespoons of honey. Sweeten it up just a little bit more, I guess. A quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, if you really like cinnamon like me, maybe double it up. There you go. 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now, you'll see me a lot of times using freshly shaved nutmeg, but I got this bottle of ground, so I thought I'd give it a try. You know, smells really good. Close enough. It's Christmas. Be a little more generous. A pinch of ground clove. Just a dab will do you. Oh, it's already smelling good, Mrs. Amora. Now, grab your mixer. I'm going to use my electric mixer because, well, I'm lazy. And blend all these goodies together. Get it nice and creamed up. So we're going to use a third of a cup of Appleton Estates dark rum. You know, it's Christmas time, you know, splurge a little, get the good stuff. There we go. 1 cup boiling water into our hot buttered rum mixture. There we go. Now give it a quick little spin to get all those goodies dissolved. Oh, yes, that smells yummy. I do believe it's time to pour. All right, guys, that's how you make hot buttered rum using Rachel Ray's recipe from thefoodnetwork.com. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. What is this? Where has this been my whole life? This is unbelievable. It tastes like cider. It tastes like apple cider. Seriously. That's freaking good.
It really is.
I am absolutely shocked. I'm absolutely shocked.
But I think it's that it tastes like apples and there's no apples.
Yeah, it tastes just like apples. I am completely shocked.